Umati rangba jangka Jylla Conrad sangma mentakasngi kakat pratrik unawing arajar arhuai. Ula primra ya kajing sedang jangka jing rakhi ya kajing dap Pynphuh nam jangka Jylla Meghalaya ha kajing kendu bakila patai kebuar hanong ba atura. Umati rangba ula pentip ba shua banpoi kakak arhuai tarik ukulan kon arajar arhuar kabolong kajing dap Pynphuh nam tik ke Jylla Meghalaya. Kindon shibun ki Tamasa ki Jingïalehkai sport. Bat kiwi dia ki program ke ban Pynphuh dan dia ki ban pensengwa ki pajba hakan dia kejeng rakhe dap Pynphuh nam. Umutri rang ba ola pentip ru ba ka arfu tarik ukalan kon arjar arfuar haka jalang ka bahia ba hanang ba shelong. On khot ya umutri rang ba do ka India onan ramudi ba dia kan dang up man yo jungbel dan dia kejeng pentip nakaliang jangka Prime Minister Office. Haka juga por uang ba lamba kejeng rakhe ya kan dia kejeng dap Pynphuh nam onan ru ki program haka district headquarter jangki district bapher.
The beginning of the celebration for the 75 years of independence of our great country. Through the next months, we will be having a number of festivals, a number of programs before the 21st of January 2022, followed by a very big program in the state capital to mark the 50 years of our statehood, where we have invited the Honorable Prime Minister to be the chief guest, and we are awaiting the response from the PMO. And post the 21st of January 2022, also we will be having a number of programs and festivals throughout the state. To mark the celebration of 50 years, we have today launched the official logo for the 50-year celebration. We are also going to be starting the different social media handles today. And post that, as I said, many programs and festivals will be there throughout the state to mark and to celebrate the 50 years of our statehood. Part of those programs will also include inauguration of a large number of infrastructural projects throughout the year. It will also include a Northeast Youth Festival. We will also be hosting a number of sports events like the Northeast Cup, like the Table Tennis National Tournament, and many such tournaments, including the Meghalaya Day, the Meghalaya Games also will be hosted next year. So therefore a large number of these programs will be held to mark the 50-year celebration. And as I said, today, along with the inaugural program of the Megong Festival, we are also launching the 50-year celebration program from today, which will continue for the next 1 year, now up to 21st of January, and on that day we'll have a big program in Shillong and the district headquarters, followed that again by a number of programs throughout the state.